Google recently rolled out a redesign of the Play Store application that moved where the My Apps and Games section resides. For those who want to simply open up the Play Store application and update the applications and games they have on their device. So in the Google Play Store, the app used to have a hidden navigation menu on the left side that you could access by either swiping out from the left or tapping a hamburger menu icon at the top left. This was recently changed, likely due to Google now putting more focus on gesture navigations. And since that gesture sometimes conflicts with bringing out that hidden navigation menu, the company seems to have changed where that My Apps and Games section is. And you've likely already seen this because Google has given us a very handy pop-up notification with details telling us this is where the new location is set. And this new redesign has received a lot of complaints from the community. Some people simply don't care about the change, but others have been very annoyed, and so much so that it surprised me how little I've actually gone into the Play Store and accessed the My Apps and Games section that way, because I use the app's shortcut. And that's what I want to show you today. I want to remind people that you're able to add an app shortcut to the home screen for the Google Play application that will create a shortcut that takes you directly to that My Apps and Games section. So just to show you the default behavior, when we open up the Google Play Store, it's going to take us to the Google Play Store that we're used to. You can see the hamburger menu is no longer there on the left because instead we're going to tap that profile icon, and then we have the My Apps and Games section right there. So we could instantly go there through multiple taps to get to the My Apps and Games update page. But again, I haven't done this in months, maybe years, because my main phone, I have replaced the Google Play Store icon with the My Apps icon. And we do that by long pressing on the Google Play Store application icon. It should show all of the app shortcuts that are available for that app. And you can see we have different options depending on which app we long press. And when we do this on the Play Store, we have the My Apps, which is the My Apps and Games section. So once we long press that app icon to bring up the app shortcuts menu, we can then simply tap and drag that icon anywhere either on the home screen, or we can even drop it in the nav bar as well. We could take an app out and put it right in the home screen. So now we have two different icons. One that is the default Play Store icon, which we can tap to take us to the actual Play Store. Or we have the newly created app icon, which we can tap, which automatically takes us to our My Apps and Games section. So if you are like me, who mainly goes into the Play Store to simply make sure their apps are all updated, if you want, you can create this new app icon, which will automatically open up the Play Store directly in the My Apps and Games section so that we can update them very quickly. Now, I don't have a custom launcher set up on this phone yet. However, if you're using a custom launcher that supports icon packs, you should then also be able to long press on that newly created app shortcut and change that app icon to make it look exactly or at least similarly to the Google Play Store app icon, which is how I do it on my daily driver. And with that done, I can then just remove the default Google Play app icon from the navigation bar and simply use the newly created app shortcut as my way of accessing the Play Store. So this is definitely not a new feature. It's something that's been in Android for a while. So I do apologize for those who have already known about this. However, I do think that it is useful enough that everybody should at least know that we can create these app shortcuts and we can avoid these type of application redesign conflicts that you may have.